Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some DIY hair stuff to do. Let's get into this. I post a video every Tuesday and Friday. If you want to subscribe to look out for those, or there's a circle out listen. Right, so now that my voice is back, wow, what? If you want to subscribe for more videos, I post a video every Tuesday and Friday, so look out for those. And just like this video, give it like a thumbs up because it's a good video. Okay, so let's get into this. First things first is what you're gonna need, and I'm gonna show you that now. You how to make a hairspray kind of thing. So what you're gonna need is a Okay, now that you have the things, what you're gonna do is gonna take this bottle. It's a spray bottle. You can use any spray bottle that you have, big or small, and you're gonna fill it with hot water. La, 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 la. Once you fill it with a little bit of water, you can even put less than this. Actually, just enough. Okay, so about really small bit. If you're testing it out for the first time, I recommend a small bit, and also this doesn't necessarily last long, like the shelf life, it's DIY. So just a little bit. Okay, so then you're gonna want to take some salt, and this is just normal sea salt. Sea salt. So you're gonna take the sea salt and you're gonna put it in here. Just gonna do it terribly. You know what? Yes. Okay, once you finally got in there, you're gonna want to take the lid off, and like close it up there, and you're just gonna shake it. So once it's like a little bit like that, you'll see the bubbles here. Sorry, it smells nice too. Ooh. And you can mix like a little bit of oil if you want, like I don't know if you want to, and then you just this is it, it's done, and you can just just spray it in your hair and scrunch it in. And there's a little refreshing sea salt spray, and it's super easy and quick, and it's just super quick and simple if you want to refresh your hair real quick, and it's healthy for your hair. And it smells like salt, so like a beach hair, like woohoo! I'm at the beach. I wasn't at the beach, but you can think I was at the beach. So yeah, that's the first little spray. Yay! Okay, for this next one, it's another spray, and you're gonna do exactly the same thing. So just take some hot water, yeah. Okay, so you have the hot water and it's a little bit, and you're gonna take some sugar, just a little bit, and you're gonna put a little bit in there. This is gonna take really long. Don't do it like this. Like, find a better way, guys. And you're gonna eat a little bit. I guess you can eat the rest if you want. I don't know. I guess. Okay, then you're gonna fuse it up here. Shake it. And then you got a nice smelling. You just spray it. And you just spray it in. And you refresh your hair. And it makes your hair smell sweet. I mean, I think. I mean, some bees might come still in your hair because they smell like sugar. I don't know. Wait, bees make the sugar. Or I mean, they make the honey. Do they make the sugar too? Okay, maybe not bees, but like maybe some animal comes still in your hair. You're like, oh, yay, I'm a flower queen. Yeah. So yeah, that is the next one. That's super easy. So you can alternate between the sea salt and the sea sugar, the sugar one, and yeah, or you can do both. So what you do is you just take this, put this in here. This is the salt one, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. Put the salt one in there, mix it up, and now you've got salt and sugar. And what a hairspray that is. So yeah guys, that's a super easy DIY little hairspray. If you want to try it out, super easy. Again, you just need sugar and salt and water and hot water. Hot water. You can use water or water. But yeah, if you want to try that. And yeah, so let's do into the other one. Let's go into the other one. Okay, so this one's a little different. It's a DIY hair gel, and that is an oat hair gel. Yes, guys, I said oats. Oats. So what you're gonna need is I'm gonna show you what you need right now. Just go on and watch it. Okay. Okay, so now you know what you need, and now I'm gonna show you how to make it. So you're gonna, this is gonna get a little messy, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna do this. Let's go. Once you've done all the messy, gooey stuff, I still got some on my fingers. So once you've done that, it looks like this. It's pretty much a mess. Oh my gosh. So you're gonna take a little bit, not really that much, and you can mix it with some water to make it more like, I don't know, gooier. And then you just, and you're gonna put it in your hair. And that is the gel. I recommend doing this when your hair is wet, not dry. And then when your hair dries, it will feel crunchy, and you just scrunch or like crunchy coatiness off, and you get hair like this. This is actually, I did do the gel when my hair is wet and it dried like this, so my curls are way more defined, and I really like it. So yeah, if you want to try this, try it. Don't try it, I don't know. And don't be alarmed if your hair dries and there's some old pieces in there, because you can just, it will just come out when your hair dries. Or you can just eat it, like bad course, y'all. But yeah, if you want to try it, you can try it, and I hope these little DIYs helped, and yeah, I recommend, if you're trying it for the first time, you don't have to make as much as this. Like, just make a little bit, and then see if your hair likes it, and if it doesn't, then that's okay. You can go buy some or something, like, don't have to be broken. thanks for watching, and I hope these helped you in some way, or you know, you just had entertainment of me watching me watch me. You what? That you did. That you had fun watching me do this. So yeah, it is messy. The gel part, the camera keeps like moving. Oh my gosh! Okay, thank you. Yeah, if you want to try these, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos, because I post every Tuesday and Friday, and I'll link the little like down below. I'll link the little down below, the recipes and like the description down below if you want to try these. Have fun trying these. Yeah, and you can even add other stuff with these. You can add other cream, like shea butter, or any other thing you want to add in there. Just try it out, experiment. There's still my fingers. Does not taste like. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Do you think if I put oats in my hair,